Hello artists! Do you struggle with drawing hair? Today, we are diving into the world of hairstyles. Drawing hair is one of the key elements in achieving a lifelike look in realistic artworks. The hair can also give a recognizable identity and character to your drawings, especially when drawing female subjects. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on creating popular hairstyles. So grab your pencils and let's get started! Tip number 1. I like to use references for realistic drawings. It greatly helps with achieving and getting the likeness very close, especially if it is a recognizable or famous person. I suggest finding a picture you want to recreate and keep it near you while you draw. Use references and draw them as close as possible until you are confident enough to draw hairstyles from your imagination. Tip number 2. Be aware of shadows and lighting for the most realistic and accurate drawing. The correct use of shading and proper positioning of highlights and shadows suggests the idea of what environment the subject is in, and this adds to the realism of the artwork. Tip number 3. Be mindful of your pencil points. The use of different pencil points is helpful while drawing, especially with hair. The broad and softened pencil point is good for creating sketches and darkening areas for shadows. A sharp-pointed pencil is great for adding details like individual strands of hair. Tip number 4. For beginners, try practicing the hand-drawing movements shown earlier in the video. Observe hairstyles in real life and in different environments or situations. Thank you for joining me in this hair drawing journey. I hope you have learned some valuable techniques that you can apply to your own artwork in the future. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep observing, keep drawing, and keep improving. Let me know in the comments which hairstyle you like drawing the most.